Hello everybody, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office, and thanks for joining me this evening. I have a special treat for you today. So here I am in Mission Hills. This is 1771 Mission Hills, the building in the gated community at Mission Hills, and this is unit 416. And we are in a condo on the 4th floor. This is the largest end unit of the ones in this building. And I want to walk you through it, and you can give me a thumbs up if you can see what we're going to be talking about, and if you want me to step back or show you something else. This is a special opportunity to see this building because of what's happening. They're not allowing people into the building, so we're going to do this and see if you can check things out the way you like, and I'll help you out as we go through. So this unit, I'm going to turn you around. We're on the 4th floor, so it's got a very nice view. This is the eat-in kitchen, and I'm looking south. So it does come with 2 parking spaces, underground parking. So the kitchen is very large. There's a lot of possibilities in here. The unit is $379,000, and it's priced with plenty of room for equity to fix this up. A unit this size that's all fixed up is selling for the high 500s. So this is the original owner. Here we are in the laundry room. And I want to show you the floor plan before we go through so you can take a look. So this is 2 bedrooms and a den. So the den is here in the middle. So when you walk in, this is facing west. You walk in, I just showed you over here, that was facing south. So you go in, then there's the foyer. Straight ahead is the office, the living room, which is attached to the dining room, and here we are in the kitchen. So I was just showing you this way. So we go through here, dining room. This faces west. There are these gigantic balconies here, facing west. And this particular unit has 2 HVAC systems. One is newer, this one is older. Over here we've got the foyer, so you can go this way. There's a powder room, this way into the office. You could also use it as a bedroom, but this person had a wet bar here and then out to the balcony. So this balcony is double. There's another balcony here. This is a fireplace, which I'll show you. So then back here from the entrance, you go here. This is a nice big walk-in closet, like a utility storage. And then over here, bedroom 2. There's a bathroom here. Then you go here down the hallway. Here's another extra closet. And here into the master. This is the master bath. So there's this big walk-in closet. Double sink. Then here you walk in, there's a big tub. Here is the walk-in shower and the WC. So then back out here is the master. These are floor-to-ceiling windows in both this bedroom and the second bedroom. So then we go back out here and you're in the foyer. So let me walk you through. And stop me if you want me to go back. There's also this extra door. Most people don't use it, but it goes to the hallway. Emergency. Okay. The electric panel is here. This is the front foyer. It's got hardwood floors. And then we have these double closets. I've got the mirror doors. All right, so here we are in the living room. This could be an eat-in area if you wanted, but there is a dining room over there. Gas fireplace. So it's 5 o'clock here and there's tons of light still because again, we're facing south and west. This is the dining room and you'll see into the kitchen there. Floor to ceiling windows looking south, and it's got these plantation shutters. Out here on the balcony, facing west over the parking lot. That's for visitors. As I said, there are 2 underground garage parking lot spaces, heated of course. And this is one of the furnaces. So we are on an end unit. This is the office slash den. So there's a wet bar here with lots of cabinets. And this is, wouldn't you love this big balcony? So there's a door out here to the living room, family room area. And then this is from the office. This is the newer furnace over here. Here's your view. Second bedroom has its own bathroom. So as you can see, it's in very good condition. It needs some updating throughout. But we've priced it for that since you could spend some money putting into this unit and still be out ahead. All right, so we're here in the master. Double sinks. Gigantic closet. Okay. And then let me give you some other details about this unit. So as you know, we're in a gated community, so a lot of the assessments include many of the things that you would need, such as heat, water, gas, parking, the common insurance, security, pool, exterior maintenance, lawn care, scavenger, and of course snow removal. So this building was built in 1983. The assessments are $788 a month, and that includes your 24-hour security and elevator and pool, everything else. Oh yeah, here's the pool. You could see it's just over there. There are a couple pools in here. We're overlooking that these are townhouses facing south. The taxes here, this is showing a senior exemption and a homeowner's exemption for $4,501 a year. No pets are allowed in this building. You may not know that Mission Hills has several different homeowners associations depending on what building. And I understand this is a nice building. They take care of things. Hi, Doug. And once you move in, you don't have to worry about any maintenance. Everything is right here. We're very close to Mariano's. The square footage on this unit, as I said, it was one of the largest in the building, and it's almost 2,500 square feet. We did a floor plan, as I showed you earlier, which is 2,367 is what we measured. So 2 bedrooms plus this nice room here. 2.5 baths for $379. So I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough virtual tour to give you an idea of what we have here. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. I am at 847-686-3182, Caroline Gow, Baird & Warner in the Glenbrook office. And again, the address here is 1771 Mission Hills Road in Northbrook, Unit 416. We're on the 4th floor, and I'd love to work with you. Stay safe, be well. Bye.